Hi everyone, welcome back in next video of this playlist. As you can see on the screen, in previous video we have created this set password screen, and today in this video we are going to create our NavBar. Okay, so if I show you the demo of our NavBar, so as you can see on the screen, this will be an NavBar of our home page. So let's get start coding. We will take an help of AI. Okay, so let's start it. What I will do, I will catch the photo, like I will capture a photo of this NavBar. I have copied it. Now what I will do, I will come back to my browser and I will open ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Well, let me open a new tab. ChatGPT, and here I will paste that icon, and I will say create this nav bar in Next.js. Okay, with my on CSS, no third party library, no third party library. Okay, and hit enter. Now it will give us the code, what exactly we want, and we will implement that in our project. So this is our project. So if we need to create an navbar, so navbar is basically a component, okay, which will be rendered on every page. So we will come to our common component folder, and I will create here one folder with the name navbar. Okay, navbar, and hit enter. And inside this navbar, I will say I will create one file with the name navbar.jsx. Okay, and hit enter. After that I will come here, and it has given me a huge line of code. It's really looking cool. Okay, so what I need, I will say simply, so first of all it is saying just copy this code. Okay, I will copy this code. I will come here, I will paste it here. So guys, you can also have a look to this code. Okay, so this is a code. Now it is saying that we will import node mod like navbar.css. So he have given a navbar.module.css file also. I will come here and I will create one file with the name uh, navbar module.css, and I will paste the code, this one code, whatever the css he have provided me. I have pasted it, and if I come to the browser and see the output, and okay, I will not get any output because we have not imported this navbar anywhere. Okay, so we have making it export default as navbar, and I will come here to my page.js, and I will do here navbar, and now we will come back to our browser, and if I refresh, currently we can see we have got this navbar. Okay, that's perfect, but not exactly what we want, so we will do little bit styling from our end also. Okay, let's get started. And now we will come here. First of all, what we need, guys, we have one navbar. Okay, we will come here to our this css. We will provide a margin of 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Perfect. Now we want border also, border radius to be 5 pixel. See guys, exactly ChatGPT will not give the same output. Okay, we need to modify it with our end also. Okay, perfect, we have making it border radius as this. Now we want box shadow. So if I come to my global.css, so I provided here box shadow. Okay, I will copy the name is box shadow, and I will come here, I will say box shadow, and I will paste where care. Okay, like where, and I will hit enter. I have got the box shadow. Instagram we not want, we are creating, we have taken the project name as lit star, so I will remove this lit like Instagram, and I will say lit star. Okay, perfect. Now let, we have got the name we want. Okay, brand, it has given name as brand, class name. Okay, next it has said font weight, color. Perfect. Now I will say font size to be little bit big, so I will say 32 pixel maybe. And font weight I need as bolder. Bolder. Okay, now let's see an output. Perfect, cool, it's looking fine. Now we need to style this snapbar. We not want the border radius to be that much like rounded. Okay, so we will say 25. It's not reflecting what we have changed. Border radius we have changed search input, and but we have, now we are not getting. Okay, we will change it to 10 instead of 25, because I think 25 is too much. Perfect, search we are getting. Now we will style these icons. Okay, So what I will do right now, I will go, first of all I will see like what are the buttons he have used. Okay, he have said that logo. So I will go to Chrome, like browser, and I will say profile icon. Okay, icon, I need profile icon, and I will come to images, and I will copy for now any image, random image. Okay, I will copy this image URL, copy image address, and I will paste this here. I will remove it and I will paste it here. Now it will look better, I hope. Okay, it has loaded. Now next, in image, we can see we have a few icons also. So first icon is of notification, second is of share, and third is of add icon. Okay, so let's come here, and I will come here and I will remove this. I will say add icon. So you guys, you can get any of the SVG icon from svgrepo.com. Okay, now I will say add. I need one add icon, and for add icon, this is looking perfect for me. I will copy this. I will come here, edit as svg. I will say color to be fully black, copy svg, and I will come here. I will change it. Okay. Now I will create one folder with the name mm, icons. Okay, inside this icons I will create one file with the name uh, search icon, search icon.js. Okay, I will paste it here. Okay, so what I need, I will copy the path, I will come here, and it is saying I, so Instagram icon and icon. Okay, so I will come here and I will use img tag, img tag src. I will paste it here, and I will let me make it correct a little bit. So one more issue we have done, guys, by the way. I will let you know what I have done. So this will not be JSX. We have the code of SVG. So I will do SVG. Okay, and let's change here also SVG. Rename to SVG. Okay, perfect. Now if I come to my website, and let me refresh, I'm not getting even a single output. Why? Why is it so? Is it there, or I am not able to view it? Okay, let's have a now look. It's there. Okay, if I show you NavBar, first div, second div, third div. First one we have an output, and we have an image tag, but the image, okay, here we have set the margin will be 0, but we will set the image as width. Okay, let's set width as 10 pixel. Okay, we will set the width to it. So icon, okay, I will copy this icon, and inside this icon I have one thing, that inside this icon I have image. So where are icons? Okay, icon is here, dot icon, and inside this icon I have an image tag, and I will say image width to be uh, 20 pixel, and height will be auto height. Okay, not auto, we will not make auto. We will, if we are make an auto, then we will make a lot of wrong things, like, okay, 20 pixel, perfect. We have got an image, but 20 pixel is like, what have you given me? Okay, perfect, fine, cool. Now what we will say here, we will set box, not box shadow. I will say here background color to be bg, varchar hyphen bg. So if I show you in global.css, I have one bg. Bg I have set byte, and input bg, I will capture this input bg. I will come back to my navbar, and I will say instead of bg and input bg, and background I have got it, perfect. Now I will say I need little bit padding also, so I will say padding to be 10 pixel. Okay, perfect. If I have given padding, then it is like whole width had gone. Okay, two things what I will do. First of all, I will remove it here. I will say padding to this icon. Okay, and next background color also to this icon itself. Let's remove every thoughts. Okay, perfect, cool. Now we will set the width also. So what we will do right now, we are setting the margin to it, no? So we will remove the margin from here first of all. Okay, perfect. We have removed margin, but we will say margin right is perfect. Border radius to be 50% so that we can make it in form of a circle. Perfect, but we are saying padding bottom it is coming. We will remove from where this padding bottom is coming. Before that, let's have a look from where it can be. Or first of all, we will inspect it and we will see. Maybe it can be from SVG, correct? I will come here and I will select this. We are getting this from this icon itself. We are providing padding, but that's fine. Margin we are providing fine. I will go inside to this. I will come here to image, but to this image it's perfectly fine. Something is wrong. Height, can we say auto? No. Can we set the height to this also? Okay, guys, let's see. I think we need to set height here also. So padding we are saying this 20 pixel. So height we will say 30 pixel. Height will be 30 pixel, but it's too much low. Okay, 60 we can try. It's too much. Okay, 40. Okay, perfect, cool. It's looking fine even, but we need a little bit more. So I will say 45. 45 is something like why 45. Perfect. Now it's looking perfect. Circle. Now I will come back here and I will say I will copy these images. Okay, Control C and I will paste it here. Control V and Control V. Okay, perfect, cool. We have got it this. Now I can see this notification icon. Okay, I will remove this. I know I don't need, but okay, I don't need, or if I need, I will say here notification. I will go to notification and cursor. Okay, fine. Top right. I need my instead of minus 8, I need at least 15. Same 15. Color is right. Fine. Font size is there. So anyway, font size I need instead of 12, I need 9 or 8. Okay, perfect. I need height. Height not to be okay. Let's reduce it. It has gone, I think, too much far. Okay, from 8 to we will make 4. Let's see, will it work? Okay, it has worked, but okay, fine. Let it be like this. So now just we need one thing, and that is we need to change the icons only. Okay. Now first of all we will change for share, and for share we will find the perfect matching icon for us. Okay, we can use this one icon. I will come here, edit vector, and I will copy this icon. I will go here and I will say new and share sha share icon dot svg, and I will paste it here. Okay, so I will copy this path, copy path, and I will come here. I will paste instead of Control V. Okay, now if I come here, you can see, guys, we have got it perfectly our share icon also. So now next what we need to change this notification icon. Okay, let's type here notification, notification, enter, and the notification we are getting, but the thing we need is okay, guys, what do you think? So can we take this? Okay, we are taking this, and I will copy the svg and I will paste the same again. I will make a new file, notification.js. Control V. I will rename it. I will do Control A, Control C. I don't need JS file. I need SVG. I do a lot of mistakes. NavBar, and I will paste it here. Control V. Okay, fine. Now if I come here, and guys, can you see we are perfectly getting our output? We have got created our navbar and it's looking fine, perfect. We will improve it in next further video. So for now, that's all, guys, in this video, and you can do more customization to this. Now in next video we will create our left like component. It will be a common component. If I show in the image, one sec, can you see here? It's looking perfect. And from next video we will create this one navbar, like a side panel. So that's all guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys.